Side, there is nothing better than a quality cup of coffee.
Oh yeah, nice and warm too. Yeah, it looks like a wonderful place. Love the name, Super Joy, and they're kind of coffee scientists over there, so I really enjoy that. All right, so tonight, yeah, we have some rain moving on through. You've kind of been dealing with it if you've been out there. Maybe you had to do some shopping and you headed out this afternoon. You probably had some very light rain. Most of that now off towards the north of us. As we head into the late hours now, I think we stay pretty dry around Portland, but still very heavy rain to the north of us attached to that stream that's coming through the Pacific, and it's really honing into the Pacific Northwest through the Olympic Peninsula over towards Seattle, where they're seeing a bit of a break right now, and they'll take it. But all the rain from Aberdeen and across up to the north of Forks and extending over towards Olympia there for tonight. I'll show you that stream. Yeah, it's going way down to the southwest there, and that's just moisture being pumped in like a hose, and it continues to just bring in that rain for us. And eventually, it's going to settle a little bit farther to the south, but as it does, some of that will dissipate, and it's going to take some time. It usually takes some time for these heavy plumes of moisture to move and to travel. Here it is. This is another way to look at it. This is precipitable water, so if we kind of took everything out of the atmosphere and kind of squeezed it down to the ground, that's what we would get. So that blue stream is some moderate moisture, and it looks like we may have another stream arrive to the north of us heading into Monday and Tuesday, again adding more rain to those areas to the northwest there around the Olympic Peninsula. So of course we are seeing some flood watches extending through until Monday morning, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's continued again and they put a new one up heading into Tuesday because that second stream. But for now, the rivers and the creeks and everything here in that region still dealing with some flooding issues, and they'll likely have some more. All right, 56 degrees coming out of Seaside. I showed the small view of that. Let's make it a little bit larger. You can see that rain coming down, breezy as well. Wind picks up again tomorrow. Likely seeing some gusts out of the coast, maybe pushing about 30 miles per hour. A tonight, they have the tree going on now. I love that shot. If you're not out on the Oregon coast, maybe tonight was the night to head out to A, and it's busy, and it's always looking like a bunch of fun out there. 61 degrees out of Portland. I'll step out of the way. You can see those temperatures off towards the east. Baker City at 42, Pendleton at 61. Just mild pretty much across the whole state, for the exception of some of those communities there in the valleys off towards the east. So yeah, you can imagine this time yesterday was a bit cooler. Now we're nearly about 10 degrees warmer than where we were standing about 5:15 yesterday. All right, here's the coast tomorrow in the 50s. Dry morning, rain probably picking up in the afternoon and evening, especially to the northwest. Breezy, as I mentioned, gusting to about 30 miles per hour. Here in the valley, I think we have a pretty nice day. It should be fairly dry. In fact, we may avoid the rain all day, especially south of Portland. I have a high of 60 degrees, which will be a record if we end up hitting that mark for tomorrow, and I think we'll get there. Baker City at 52, Pendleton at 61, warm and dry and sunny for Central Oregon. It's going to be a really nice day. Up on the mountain, I expect some sunshine as well, a high of about 50 degrees, so snow levels way up there above the passes. Great day to travel. And then 57 degrees for Hood River for tomorrow. Show you the FUTURECAST through the overnight, just some clouds around, maybe some patchy fog, but look, we're pretty dry tomorrow. Till that atmospheric river starts to settle down as we head into Sunday night into Monday. That's when we'll finally start to see that rain, and then it just travels off towards the east, and then we'll have another bout of that as we head into Tuesday night, as I mentioned, around here. All right, 7-day forecast, 60 tomorrow, as I said, mild and dry. We have 56 on Monday, Wayne, Tuesday at 51. I think a nice day on Wednesday at 57. This is a warm, mild week. We start cooling down, signs of some cold air by next weekend.
Yeah, and the timing is great with so many people traveling this weekend. So, all right. Thank you, Joseph. Nick?